today I'm trying the world's largest Sour Patch, and here it is. Honestly, not too big, but it's not too small either. So let me open this baby up. Okay, so got the scissors. Okay, I've actually never had one of these. I also picked the most sourest flavor. So let's do it. Oh god! Oh my god! Is it sour? It's so sour. Okay, I'm gonna put the whole thing in my mouth. Oh my god! It's so sour. It's a Sour Patch Kid. Why is it so sour? At least it's not the worst thing I've had. It's good though. It's good. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry this video is kind of short, but peace out, dudes. Oh, shout out to my taco eating pony. Thank you.